have all had that moment where we forgot to renew an important document, update our credit card information, or we just kept on procrastinating until it was too late. From driver's licenses, health insurance, club memberships, Netflix subscriptions, to even your immigration status, you have so many things to renew. Let's find out some ways you can avoid those oops moments when it's time to renew your immigration status. Welcome back everyone to the Ray Law International channel. I'm Anthony Ray. Let's find out if anything could possibly happen if you forget to renew your non-immigrant status. Before we talk about the 3 things you can do to avoid letting your non-immigrant status expire, let's first look at 2 documents that need to be distinguished and then look at the immigration peril for those who fail to timely renew their non-immigrant status. A visa stamp in your passport is different from your status noted on your I-94. A visa stamp is a document issued by the U.S. Embassy. The U.S. visa stamp allows you to enter the U.S. Think of it as a permission slip that says a U.S. embassy or consulate has given their permission or approval for you to enter the country. In comparison, Form I-94 is your arrival departure record. It reflects the status you hold while in the U.S. It's the record that says, yes, this person was allowed to enter the United States for a period of time. The I-94 will include the date of your arrival and the date you are required to leave the country. This is the validity period or authorized period of stay. Here's the key point for today's discussion. The departure date on your I-94 is the one that matters when renewing your status. Next, if you fail to renew your status, is anything really going to happen? Well, nothing immediately will happen to you. Immigration is not going to show up at your door the next day after expiration and kick you out of the country. However, failing to renew your non-immigrant status will cause a heap of problems for you. Failing to renew your status or leave prior to expiration of your status may result in overstaying your status, preventing you from receiving future immigration benefits, being placed in immigration court purgatory, or being banned from the U.S. The moral of the story is, always timely renew your status or leave the United States when you're supposed to. Here are 3 things you can do to avoid failing to renew your non-immigrant status. First, put it on your calendar. As soon as you enter the U.S., check your online I-94. Check for mistakes or errors. If there are errors, give us a call for assistance in getting your I-94 corrected. Make sure you add the expiration or departure date on your calendars. Make sure to set reminders at least 30 days prior to expiration. You can file for renewal up to 6 months prior to expiration, so set a 6-month reminder as well. However you calendar, get it on your calendar that same day. Are you working for a company? Having a central individual receiving, calendaring, and monitoring non-immigrant visa holders' immigration documents, including I-94s, is key to maintaining a good employee retention. Many HR or immigration specialists will work with non-immigrant workers collecting and verifying their documents. In this way, they can timely arrange for extensions and renewal of their non-immigrant status here in the U.S. Finally, you must check your documents regularly. If you travel frequently, your status validity period could change or mistakes could be made on your I-94. Make sure you regularly check your I-94s for both you and your family members. Make sure your visa stamp, passport, I-94s, I-20s, DS-2019s, and other immigration documents remain current. To review, if you enter the United States on a non-immigrant visa, pay attention to the expiration date on your I-94. If you wish to extend your stay in the United States, apply for your extension before your I-94 expiration date. If you do not file an extension before this date, you are unlikely to be approved for your extension. If you file for an extension on time, you may remain in the United States while your petition or application is pending. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in the extension of your non-immigrant status. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to this channel and sharing these videos with friends and your HR manager. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.